Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic, diabetes. Specifically, we will discuss the symptoms of high blood sugar, also known as hyperglycemia. So, what are the symptoms of hyperglycemia? Let's take a look at them one by one. Increased thirst. One of the most common symptoms of hyperglycemia is increased thirst. You may find yourself drinking more water than usual, and still feeling thirsty. Frequent urination. If you are urinating more frequently than usual, it could be a sign of hyperglycemia. High blood sugar levels can cause the kidneys to work overtime, leading to more urine production. Fatigue. If you feel tired all the time, even after getting enough sleep, it could be a sign of hyperglycemia. High blood sugar levels can affect the body's ability to produce energy, leading to fatigue. Blurred vision. High blood sugar levels can cause the lens in your eyes to swell, leading to blurred vision. If you are experiencing sudden changes in your vision, it is important to see an eye doctor immediately. Slow healing. High blood sugar levels can also affect the body's ability to heal itself. If you have a cut or wound that is taking longer than usual to heal, it could be a sign of hyperglycemia. These are just a few of the symptoms of hyperglycemia. If you are experiencing any of these symptoms, it is important to talk to your healthcare provider. Early detection and management of high blood sugar levels can help prevent complications and improve your quality of life. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos.